This is a really pretty Easter snow globe. I love this. It's 3 yellow birds, maybe they're baby birds, with their birdhouses. And then a little blue bird, all cartoon, not real birds. Gorgeous detail. There's a little bird cage up there. Those look like foxgloves. Strings of roses. This part here is broken. I think these were hedge clippers. Well, that's too bad. There's a little hand shovel back there, and the little bird has a broken wing. Those are the only 2 things that are wrong with this globe. It's unfortunate, but other than that, I think it's in pretty good shape. And a little fence detail and trees in the background. This is just beautiful, beautiful. And another bird. His wing isn't broken, thank goodness. He looks nice. A little vase of flowers, a pot of flowers, another little birdhouse, watering cans. It's just adorable. But it has a giant air bubble. The water is dirty, and then it's got some really nasties when you shake it up. Ugh, yeah, just yuck. The glitter looks pretty, but so I'm gonna change out the water and put my own type of glitter in there and get rid of those yucky things. And the music box plays Born Free, and it works just fine, but there's no info. You have to be really careful how you pick this up. I see what's wrong with these bases that have all these characters and things, because people, your natural reaction is to grab like this, and then wings and heads, like if you have like Disney characters, like Goofy's always losing his head. Anything sticking out will get broken off like that. It's unfortunate, so you have to grab it by the ball. And then there's no info other than where it was made. It doesn't say who it was made by, what year, or anything like that. So I'm gonna wind it up. I got the music box off. I used the heat gun, and it wasn't too hard, and it's in great condition. Looks like it's possibly an 18 note, seems pretty small. And then inside the globe, looks pretty good. I kind of see where the water might have leaked out. It's like the glue left a space instead of sealing it. Alright, I got the stopper out and the figurine. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness, all that gunk, seeing it in the corners of the birdhouse. So I'm gonna wash this out, and I would love to save those glitter, but look at that's disgusting. I can't. So all new glitter. Alright, here is the globe with the characters inside. All that's left to do is I still have to add the music box back in. You have to be really careful how you pick this up, so I'll show that in a bit. So here's the music box. That's all that's left to be finishing up. I was just testing to see if there weren't any leaks after putting the hot glue in, and it's doing pretty well. Alright, there it is, guys. All finished up. I love this one. Easily one of my favorites.